What's up, YouTube? This is Calvin Bond from Bond Trucking, coming to y'all with another video. On this video, I am at the body shop. So on my way going to Dallas, Texas, I went on and stopped at the body shop because they said they had my table already in. So I came to the body shop to go on and let them put the table in. It shouldn't take them but a few hours to put it in. So I'm gonna go on and let them do that. Then I'm gonna run to Dallas and drop my trailer. Let me drop this load off. And once I drop this load off, I go to the Pilot in Dallas. I already paid for my parking spot. I paid for it yesterday. I normally pay for it a day ahead of time because in Dallas, the Flying J and Pilot, you never find a parking spot there. So it don't make sense for me to play with it. So I always buy mine a day ahead of time. It'll be kind of late when I get there, so I know it ain't gonna be any parking there. I got about 8 hours left. I'm gonna try to get this table done. Then when I stop tonight, I'm gonna take the 2 screws out in the front, and I'm gonna put longer screws in it to lock it in place like me and my dad did with this old table. Then I shouldn't have to worry about the table anymore, because the table normally moves back and forward because it rolls freely forward and backwards while you're driving. And I don't like my bed up. I don't like my bed down while I'm driving. I give y'all an update on the table. I am at the end of this trip. I am in Dallas, Texas at the Frito-Lay. Getting ready to do my on-duty call. And it's saying it don't have any trailers here, so that's not a good thing. On duty. I've arrived. Skip trailer call. Now I gotta wait 2 minutes before I go in with the paperwork and everything. This place here is pretty good. Hope they got some empty trailers, because if they don't, then I'm gonna have a long day tomorrow without no empty trailer. How you doing, sir? I'm doing all right. I just need the back copy signed. Y'all have any empty trailers?
We might.
I just got to go back in and see, huh?
Yep. Put them on.
Oh, I'm sorry. This place is cool. It's right down the street from the JB Hunt terminal. I normally pay for my parking at the at the Pilot a day ahead of time.
Might pull forward so I can change the seal.
So you can change it or check it? Okay, just pull forward?
Yep.
Yes, sir. It's kind of hard to hear them through that glass. Wait for me to stop. They redoing everything here. So everything is under construction. That used to be a yard. So now they got another yard over there that we used to couldn't go to. So I guess they're just gonna make everything bigger here. That'd be good, especially if JB Hunt do some extra trailers here. Cause we hardly ever have extra trailers here. I never put my landing gear all the way to the ground, and then I take the air out of my airbags and drop the trailer so it'll be easier to pick it up when you're backing up under it. It makes it easier for the next driver. Alright, YouTube, I am at the Dallas yard. Now I'm looking for an empty trailer. Since they had doing construction down there, I'm hoping that they put some empty trailers here. And I hope this is one of them. And I'm right. I'm gonna have to sweep it out, but it's an empty trailer. This is the end of my trip. This is the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It should be on this side at the bottom. Just hit my face and subscribe to the channel for me. I would definitely appreciate it. My Instagram is BondTrucking17. And don't forget, we are not truck drivers. We are business owners that drive truck. And conduct yourself as a business owner, not as a truck driver. Grind smart, not hard. I'm out.